Hi everyone! Welcome to the Virtual STEM office. In this short video, we will go over key people, services, and how to stay connected with us as we continue to operate remotely. The mission of the Los Angeles Mission College STEM office is to provide students majoring in science, technology, engineering, and math with support to help achieve goals to graduate with an associate's degree, transfer to a four-year university, or prepare for graduate school. Through support services, activities, and presentations from professionals in the field, the STEM office aims to promote the development of academic and career success. My name is Angela Pan, and I'm the STEM counselor at Los Angeles Mission College. As your counselor, I can assist with a number of things, including exploring educational career and personal goals, develop a comprehensive student educational plan tailored to STEM majors, assist with graduate school or professional school planning, and anything else you may need to be successful at the college. In our office, you'll also be in touch with our career guidance counseling assistant, Sarah Garcia. She currently is pursuing her bachelor's degree in public health at CSUN and a career in medicine as a physician. She can assist you with the following: help you with college survival skills, assist you with researching opportunities in regards to your major, including volunteering, research, internships, and more. She can help you explore transfer schools and programs, and help you discover majors and different occupations within STEM. There are several ways to stay connected in this remote environment. You can email us at stem@lamission.edu and we'll respond back. You can also check out our Instagram at LAMC_STEM to stay up to date with what's going on around campus. Or you can give us a call, leave us a voicemail, or you can even text us in this number. You can sign up for our STEM emails and weekly newsletter to stay informed. All you have to do is visit lamission.edu/STEM, scroll down and click under sign up to receive emails and sign up. The best way to get a hold of us is by chatting with us and our staff. To chat with us, visit lamission.edu/STEM, scroll down to our counter, and click on Chat with Us. Agree to inform consent statement, and then log in using your LACCD student ID portal. These are some of the workshops we have planned for the semester. Please check our website under events and workshops to register and RSVP, and also to get the Zoom link for the workshop. You can also book an appointment online on our website by clicking on Schedule an Appointment on my counter card. Then you can select STEM and then select a meeting date. Appointments open up 1 week in advance, so please make sure to schedule an appointment as early as possible, as they are first come, first serve. Thanks for joining us, and we hope you have a fantastic semester.